Alright, so when it comes to sneakers in general, across the board, there's nothing more essential than a pair of white shoes. They're super important to anyone's wardrobe, whether they're a beat up pair with a little bit of character or a fresh, clean pair. So for this video, I teamed up with Adidas Originals, who make some of the best, clean, and essential white sneakers, in my opinion. I absolutely love their classic and also contemporary models. They just make great white sneakers across the board. I'll break these out in a second, and there's also gonna be a lookbook that'll feature 3 to 4 different outfits, just my personal take on how I like to style white sneakers. There's so many different ways, and in my opinion, there's no right or wrong way. This is just my personal take on it and how I prefer to wear these Adidas styles. You may do something completely different, that's all good. But hopefully this video gives you some ideas or inspiration on how you can rock your Adidas. So let's check these out real quick. I'll keep it very brief because I'm also gonna put these on feet for the lookbook. We're starting things off with a fresh pair of Continental 80s. A lot of you have probably copped a pair by now. If you haven't, this is definitely one of the better, essential, affordable sneakers. That's also a great thing about most of these Adidas models. They're obtainable. The price is very reasonable. There's not much I'm gonna tell you about these that you don't already know. This is the original colorway. I already have 4 pairs of these, and the next 2 that I'm gonna show you, so hyped on these, man. You don't even know. I'm really one of the only people that get super hyped on basic essential sneakers. It's not all about the color. It's not all about the hype. It's about wearability. For me, can I wear this shoe a lot? Is it gonna go with a lot of my outfits? But not every white sneaker is dope. You gotta pick the right models out. This shoe right here, man, this might be my favorite new Adidas model. The SC Premier is such a solid addition to the Adidas Originals line. You know, I'm big into the Stan Smith. I like the Continental 80, but when I saw that these had dropped, forget about it. I've got the original colorway. I was immediately sold on this shoe. Nice quality leather. I totally dig that chunky midsole, but one super nice thing about this particular sneaker, this is from the Home of Classics collection, and you can check that out. I'll link it for you guys down below, as well as all the sneakers in this video. They pretty much did a simple take on their most classic and contemporary models. The leather on this shoe, man, super nice. I don't want to get going too much on this sneaker. You will see it. Let me show you one more though. This is the Rivalry Low. This shoe is totally my style. It also has that chunky sole, just like the SC Premier does. It's sporting that same colorway. A pure white on top of an aged looking sole. The shape is also really nice. It's got this almost aggressive stance to it. And of course, just like these, the leather is super premium. Same style on the tongue where it's leather. It has the shoe size there as well. And I just really like these 2 sneakers. I'm telling you, you probably won't see many other people on YouTube feature these because they probably think they're too plain. But that is not the way I look at things. Sneakers like this are super important. You gotta have them in your collection. So let me show you how I plan on styling these. It's the summer right now, so it's warm weather, but you know, wearing white sneakers year round is something that I definitely do. So let's get these things on feet. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.